Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another big day for ticker symbol BBIG. You can see it was up by 27.5% today and after hour up by 11.5%. At one point it was over 5.9, so it was even more, but at least it is up by 27 plus 11, almost 39%. Very nice movement today. If you look at today's all US exchange volume leader, number one is BBIG, sitting with 278 million shares. And this is not the first time I'm talking about BBIG, because if you are following my channel, you know I have been talking when it was at $2.2, then it became $4, now it became almost $6, and we all are making money on this particular one. So again, an update video on BBIG. If you find this video useful, please like this video, share this video, subscribe my channel for getting more update on BBIG. We are doing really good. For swing trade, even for day trade, everyone is making money. Not only BBIG, we also did good with ticker symbol RELI. We entered around 8.3, 19, 15, 20% profit. Other one was ticker symbol NURO. Even though after the run up, we just entered at the support and made a small gain of 9, 10%. So if you like this kind of movement, this kind of chart, this kind of support resistance based alert pre-market and market hours, please join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, so that you see what is happening, when you should enter, when you should get out, and how you can make money. The market was red, even though we are making money. So anyway, let's talk about BBIG. So it was up by 27.5%, but if you look last 5 days, you can see this thing is going crazy, just going higher. Very nice action. I will talk a lot about the chart. I will come back, but before that, few other things. If you go to Fintel, it says 0.6 days to cover. It also has 22% short interest. If I go down, there is no shares available to short. If you see the volume today, it has been getting volume. So last 2 days, Thursday and Friday, it got nice volume, 200 million volume. And in my last video, I talked about what about if we get volume like 300 million. So today we were close to 178 million. So I'm very excited for tomorrow actually, because if we can get more than 300 or 350 million plus, this thing is gonna run crazy. Also, if you want to look about the option activity, that is very exciting. I will come back, I will talk here. These are the big numbers. In my last video, I said why it is important, because once we went over $4, lots of call option became in the money. So whenever they were exercised, there was additional buying pressure on BBIG. Now I see $5 is in the money. You can see 75,000. These are now in the money. If we can go to 5.5 or $6, these will be all in the money. There will be additional buying pressure. I will come back here on the option side, but before that, let's talk about the price action. So today when we started the day, right, we were really looking for this area to break, which is around 4.3. We went almost to 4.6, and these are our previous resistance. We drew the line 4.6, 4.6. We broke through 4.6. Then what happened? It came down, but it never went below 4.6. So the previous resistance became the new support. That is really good. Then it pushed again, so it broke $5, went like almost 5.1, came down again to 4.6. If you know the chart, you can make multiple trades from 4.6 to $5, again get down, again 4.6. 5.4 was our previous resistance, and I will go back to show why these lines are coming in, why we knew that at 5.4 it will get rejection. It exactly happened. And if you want to see why, because if you are following my last videos, you see these 5.4 actually came from here. So in my last video, I also talked about this resistance 5.4 and $5.86 area, and exactly same thing is happening. So again, let's go back to the chart. I just want to show how that thing moved. then again up and down, up and down. Then we drew this circle because that was a flag forming, right? So when it came here end of the day and it broke, then it broke the trend. So that was the nice thing. It went almost like 5.4 area. You see 5.4 rejection here, again some rejection here, then finally boom, it broke through 5.4, went all the way to 5.9, close to $6, came down and currently at 5.8. So very, very nice price action. What I like, when it breaks some resistance, it pulls back and that resistance become new support. It is like you are going up stair by stair. It's not like you are just going pump and up. This is really organic. I say go slowly, go up, pull back, make a new step, new floor, again you go up. So this is really a nice thing. So currently I'm making the video at 6 p.m. Still we have 2 more hours. Many things can happen, but I'm making the video just to give you as many information I can provide. So one thing could be possible, it might pull back to 5.4. Who knows? If it pulls back to 5.4, I want BBIG to hold 5.4 as a new support. So today we went through, we made a new support at 4.6, then we made a new support at 5. Now I want this to hold a new support at 5.6. If we can make it, that is really good. At the same time, we have to break that $6 area. If we can break, really nice. So I'm also going back to a 1 minute chart because I also want to draw an L line, because if it never comes to 5.4, think about it, 5.7. You see why 5.7? It was a resistance here and now the resistance became the new support. So maybe 5.7 could act like a new support if you're planning to enter. If you enter, use a stop loss. If you prefer to wait for 5.4, I do not know whether it will come to 5.4 or not. Now let's look at $6 resistance and what we have after $6. And this support resistance line, they are doing really good, because when we are doing day trading, it really helps because you sell, then you buy low and you make money. So if I just zoom out, so there is a resistance at $6. I can see that, but after 6 I have $7 resistance. Then after 7, maybe this is the time I should add, because I started talking about this particular video when it was 2.2. I was talking about $5, $6. Now we hit 6. Let's talk about more. So after 6 we have 7, then we have 7.7, and we have something around $9. So let's talk about 9, because currently we are below $6. If we hit 9, I can talk about 10 and 12. But for now, this is so far I'm just looking at. Look at the volume. Nice volume. You can see when it ran to 11, $12. You see the volume here. Now see the volume here. Let's do one thing. I'm gonna go back to our weekly chart just to give you a better sense. So look at the weekly volume, 1 2 3 4 weeks of volume and the big spike, right? Now we are having almost the same thing, back to back 2 weeks of nice volume. Just want you to notice something here. Look here, few weeks of green volume, nice movement. Few weeks of good volume, nice movement, right? Again, we have 2 weeks of volume and this week just started, still we are here. So what happens if for remaining next 3 days we get more volume and we come somewhere here, right in this area? This thing is gonna run and run and run. So very exciting. So if you are following my channel, then you know how I'm trading, what are my support and resistance, and we are making money since $2.2. If you are part of my family, my Discord family, then you know each morning I come up with a new plan, drawing the new support, resistance, when to get in, what it should be your stop loss, when to get out. So we make a plan, we make day trading, we make swing trading, and some people also doing it for option trading. So a very nice stock, making a lot of money for all of us, and I want you to join my community. Let's trade together, let's make money together. It costs only $9 per month and I bet you can make more than that. The way BBIG is moving, we can expect really a lot. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, join my Discord community. The link is on the first comment and also in the description. and have a nice evening. And I hope in next 2 hour BBIG break through $6 and run even higher and higher. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.